Now we need to create a next is the query. First, just click this create, then query design. Now we will select this purchase details, then inventory, this one. Automatically it will show the relationship because we already done our relationship for both tables. Next, I will select this one, purchase details, here, and drag it. Next is I will put here net amount so that we will calculate the unit price with the quantity. Okay, I will make it wider. Net amount, then I will put open bracket, then our table, which is purchase order details. So I will just copy this one to avoid any wrong spelling. Again, I will type net amount, then open bracket, then I will paste that one, purchase details, then close bracket. I will put period because I need to put the field which is unit price, then unit price times the quantity, which is from unit price here, from purchase order, unit price times quantity equal the net amount, quantity. Okay, then here we need to put the description of this inventory. We will use this one to our purchase order. Now we will save purchase details query. Okay, so it's blank because we did not put some entries here, transaction. Next, we need to create another query. Then I will select the suppliers. The one we create before, we will use that one, purchase details query, for whatever items we choose for our purchase order line. Next is purchase order, this one. I will put this one, purchase order number, then date here, so we'll make it ascending. Then I will choose supplier ID, then supplier, this address. So I just take this purchase order, this order number, and order date. This is the main purchase order data source. This one, these details, this is the order lines. Okay, we'll save purchase order query. again. So this is wrong. We need to modify, not supplier ID here. This should not be from supplier. So this supplier ID must be taken from purchase order here. Okay, this is correct. The next, now we need to create a form. But before that, again, I will make another as an our option. So we need to add another query, which is our stock on hand. Obviously, of course, we need to add our inventory, then item code, then we need to make it group. This one group by, then I will put here, we will use that this one further, hand, stock in hand, then our inventory quantity, inv underscore then quantity. This is the one. So instead group by, we'll put here sum. Then we save query stock on hand. Look, so we have a summary for stock on hand by item code. We can modify also the item code to make it more looks format. I will put 1 2 3 4 to make it more good looking. Look, this is our item code and this is our stock inventory. So now we have 4 tables and queries. Now we need to add our forms. So for our items, we need to select this one, item inventory, create, then I will use this one, multiple items here, just to manage our entries. We will fix it later. Now I will choose the background not visible. I will choose blue, and here I will make it white. Now I will delete this one. Because that item code is auto number, so no issue. It will run in the background. Okay, FRM item list, so we can add another items here. Okay, next is supplier. Again, we can also create a blank form here, form header, then suppliers, just select this one, press F2 copy, and now our record source is supplier. So that if we will go to design and add existing, we have the following fields. Then just drag it here. Again, I will remove this one ID because this is auto number. Then layout, I will make it stack. I can go to design or arrange, then here none or narrow, or we can remove also the padding here. I will narrow. Okay, I can adjust also the font size to free. Okay, I will adjust, arrange padding to medium. Where I will make it the design here. I will put suppliers. Or we can make it bigger. It's too big. Okay, now I will save this one. FRM suppliers. FRM meaning abbreviation for form suppliers. I will make it darker and I will change this one to white, and I will make this one pop up. We have item list and we have also suppliers. Next, we need to create purchase order. Create, then we'll make a blank form. I will add form header. So this is the design. I will add here purchase order. Then our data source, purchase order query. This is our data source. Then we'll go to design, then add existing. I'll put this one of order number here. I can use the layout stack. Why I need to use this stack? Because whatever format of this one, I will make it. Because this stack, if you use this format, if you add any of this field here, whatever the format for the existing text box, it will do the same format also. Okay, look, if I put here, the format is different, but if I drag this one here, look, it's the same format. Then I will adjust here, arrange, Then padding, I will make it narrow. Yeah, that's correct. And here I will put supplier ID. I will copy this one and drag here. Then I can make it stack. I can copy also the format printer. Just click that one and click here, lock. And adjust the font and also the size. Okay, this is the supplier. I will remove this ID. Then we need to adjust the padding to 1. Okay. Now since this supplier is linked with this table, we need to convert this one into drop down, because this is the plain text box. So just select this one, then put our cursor, then right click, then change to combo box, lock. Now we have combo box, which is the supplier ID is the control source. Now the row source here, just click this one, then we need to select this supplier, then we need to put here, then close and save. We need to put sample data here. Kamayo ako, Antipolo, Surigao, then SOR, Caraga region. Okay. That's why I cannot see any entries. Purchase order. Now if I select this one, we have entries, to select only, sorry. And here $3.50. Okay, lock. We need to fix that one. Purchase order. So here I need to make it lock, and here also I need to make it lock. So if I update this one, automatically it will generate order number. So here I will put option explicit. What I will trying to do is, after entering this supplier, automatically it generate the order number. As you can see here, we have some error. If I select this one, if I close, there is an error because it should, our order number must be or required. That's why I need to put some code here after insert for this form. Before inserting. So me that order number equal format. Now we will use the date to generate our order number. So now whatever the date, now including time, then we put year, month, we put day, hours, seconds and milliseconds. So meaning, if we will insert some items inside this form, automatically whatever the date and time, it will generate, it looks our order number format here. Okay, everything is fine. Look, if I select this one, automatically it will generate order number based on current date, time. Look, this is our year, month, day, and this is the time here. So perfect, we have purchase order number, order date, supplier. The only not here is the order lines, which is we need to make another form. Okay, so we will continue our topic for the next video. Thank you and God bless.